The first week of 2024, the SHACMAN R&D team arrived in Mohe, the northernmost city in China, and began a month-long extreme cold experiment. Even though the test plan was prepared in advance, facing the extreme weather as low as -43 degrees Celsius is a huge challenge for both SHACMAN's products and team. Extreme cold not only tests the product performance, but also increases the difficulty of testing. In a limited time, complete various rigorous tests to ensure product quality meets requirements, and strive to provide satisfactory solutions for customers. This is what SHACMAN team is doing.
Heating is a big deal for users. In low temperatures, if the car is not warm enough, the driver's mood could be affected. We did an upgrade to the heating system to deal with this extreme cold weather. For extreme cold regions, we specifically developed new electronic control technology to make sure customers are satisfied through practical validation. Everyone knows that in this super cold weather, frost will form on the windows. If we don't efficiently remove it, it'll affect our driving safety. The worse the natural environment is, the more we should remove all frost and fog to ensure safety. The experiment of cold start is to see how well a vehicle starts at very low temperatures. The experiment will last for 24 hours. After starting, check if the vehicle can drive normally and reach normal driving speed within a short time. We are now getting ready to do a test on the insulation performance of the cab. We've finished setting up the temperature sensors at all the indoor testing points. The main indicator is to first let the cabin temperature rise above 30 degrees Celsius, then turn off the engine and let it sit until all temperature testing points drop below 0 degrees. This duration is over 1 hour, which means it meets our experiment requirements. We did the urea thawing experiment today mainly to verify if the urea injection of the whole vehicle is working properly in extremely cold conditions and if it can meet the Euro 6 standard. In the past 2 years, our market has been growing globally. We have made a series of improvements and optimizations to the product. We made special improvements to our heating system to work in extremely low temperatures. We also improved the defrosting and defogging performance. Additionally, our engine is also adapted for the environment. Make sure our customers are satisfied with their vehicle usage.
Heating, insulation, powertrain, urea thawing, defrosting and defogging, electronic control technology. SHACMAN's R&D team conducted comprehensive performance tests under such harsh, extreme cold conditions. All performance meets the target requirements. SHACMAN, warm you